Hello, and welcome to the CyberSecDome Open Call interview series.
Hello everyone, my name is Mariana Mazi and I am a cybersecurity engineer at Pragma IoT located in Thessaloniki, Greece. In CyberSecDome Open Call Round 1, I am responsible for the technical implementation of the simulation testbed and the implementation of the attack scenarios of the Elevate project together with our colleague Nikos Vakakis. In one sentence, Elevate will provide the necessary IoT-enabled smart elevator datasets in order to allow CyberSecDome to detect domain-specific threats and benchmark the CyberSecDome's tool capabilities against our in-house cybersecurity tools.
What is your use case and operational environment?
Our use case operates in the smart industry and IoT domain in a simulation environment consisting of a smart IoT-enabled elevator ecosystem and breaking down further to 5 attack scenarios, each demonstrating a different attack. We are protecting an internet-exposed admin portal, cloud servers hosting software components, and the IoT gateway. In terms of scale, we're dealing with a production Kliman VM, a production Kliman clone VM for attack simulation, and connected cloud infrastructure. This is operationally critical because if these assets are compromised, attackers could send control commands to adjust the elevator's behavior, change its position, or even initiate specific service modes, and that translates directly into halted operation, severe safety risks for passengers, and loss of user trust.
What threat or failure scenario are you addressing?
To comprehensively test our simulation environment, Elevate actually consists of 5 distinct attack scenarios. We simulate credential stuffing and brute force attacks targeting our internet-exposed admin portal, as well as malware installation directly onto the Elevate VM. We also focus on malware introduction via service tool affecting the IoT gateway, denial of service attacks aiming to overwhelm our cloud servers, and finally, unauthorized data exfiltration attempts using SQL injection against the backend database. If any of these happen, the real-world impact ranges from complete loss of system control to the physical manipulation of the elevator's operation. This results in severe safety implications for passengers, prolonged service disruption, and the exposure of sensitive operational data.
What are you doing in Open Call Round 1?
Within OCR1, our contribution is to take advantage of our deployed IoT-enabled smart elevator simulation environment to record datasets based on our 5 attack scenarios described in the official documentation with either normal or malicious network traffic that will allow the training of CyberSecDome's detection tools and more specifically validating Topic 3, Comprehensive Incident Investigation and Response. Specifically, we use tools like Nuclei, QL, and the KP v2 sandbox environment to support dataset generation and anomaly detection. Operationally, this means we execute simulated attacks like dictionary password cracking, SSH key theft, and high-volume MQTT message flooding to collect network traffic logs and system events. The goal is to produce evidence-based feedback that improves tool performance and usability in real operational contexts. Furthermore, based on the performance of CyberSecDome's tools, Elevate will be able to benchmark similar detection tools built by Pragma IoT in order to validate with specific KPIs the performance of these tools.
What are your expected results and how you measure success?
By the end of OCR1, our top expected results are the successful generation of normal and malicious datasets, the validation of detection mechanism against IoT threats, and the identification of security blind spots. We will prove this using comprehensive pickup files and execution files that contrast normal MQTT communication with falsified sensor measurements and flooding packets. Success for us is when these metrics show clear capability improvements such as identifying deep payload manipulation or anomalous host-based behavior in a way that is operationally meaningful, not just technically interesting.
What comes next?
In the coming weeks, the Elevate project will be finalized, having successfully fulfilled all its objectives and validated the established KPIs. In the short term, Pragma IoT will fine-tune the recorded datasets based on the feedback received from the CyberSecDome consortium members. We will also finalize the official documentation and provide comprehensive feedback on the CyberSecDome tools through dedicated assessment questionnaires. The key benefit of participating in this open call is providing CyberSecDome with critical, real-world simulation data to deeply strengthen its incident response capabilities. For end users, this means better resilience and significantly reduced risk exposure in critical smart building infrastructure. Ultimately, Elevate's key takeaway is providing that securing complex IoT elevator ecosystems requires robust, scenario-specific datasets, which are absolutely essential for training advanced threat detection models and enabling rapid, effective incident response.
Thank you for joining us.